Hello and welcome to our Fun Fact Tech series. Today we're diving into the fascinating history of our software, the powerhouse behind countless data analyses, statistical models, and visualizations. Have you ever wondered how it all began and who was behind this incredible tool? Let's explore. The story of R begins at the University of Auckland in New Zealand in the early 1990s. Two statisticians, Ihaka and Robert Gentleman, were inspired by the S programming language developed at Bell Laboratories. Their goal was to create a statistical computing environment that was not only powerful but also open and free for everyone to use. In 1993, Ihaka and Gentleman released the first version of R, named after the first letters of their names, as well as a nod to the S language it was modeled on. From its humble beginnings, R rapidly gained popularity in the academic and research communities. Its open-source nature allowed developers and statisticians from around the world to contribute, creating a vibrant, collaborative ecosystem. In 1997, the R development core team was formed to oversee the language's continued growth. By the early 2000s, R had become the go-to tool for statistical computing. The rise of R packages, contributed by users worldwide, added specialized tools for everything from machine learning to bioinformatics. R's impact extends far beyond academia. Today, it's a key tool in the data science revolution, used by tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. Its versatility, extensive libraries, and powerful visualization capabilities make it indispensable for analyzing big data and driving insights across industries. One of R's most notable contributions is the popular ggplot2 package, developed by Wickham. It revolutionized data visualization by making it easier to create complex, aesthetic plots. From a university project to a global phenomenon showcases the power of collaboration and open-source innovation. Today, R continues to evolve with the support of its passionate community. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history of our software. If you love tech stories like this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.